Cord, if you guys would like to trade your own money, make sure you guys go to Liquid Brokers. I'll send the link for that really quick, just for you guys who are new and don't know where to trade. Liquid Brokers is the only place that I trade personally with my personal money, and there's the link right there. But other than that, let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm going to draw my resistance and support. Volume's a little slower today, so we're going to be very careful. We're not going to risk a lot, but we are going to more than likely trade here on the five. Price is in a peculiar spot on both. Probably want to take sales breaking there. Would be nice. That's a nice tight stop as well. That'd be a cool first trade right here on NASDAQ if price just fucking plummets. That would be so nice for us, but US 30 or NASDAQ, but obviously NASDAQ's in a better spot as it's starting to already kind of push, but it'd have to be fast. We'll see. You guys know how it is. It can happen fast, so be prepared. Mark it up on your charts too. Don't just look at mine. Go from there. You guys are staring at mine too much. You're not marking up anything on your charts. US 30 is actually pushing to the upside here. Well, now it stopped, but I'm looking at both, by the way. I have both marked up. Refill that wick. Is that possible? That'd be a bad buy. So that was like basically a fake out on US 30 that we didn't take, which is nice that we didn't take it. But yeah. Oh, selling NASDAQ. There's fucking NASDAQ sell. Target one hit on that. That's why I told you guys you got to be quick. I'm gonna sell NASDAQ. I kind of want to be able to sell it on US 30 as well. I gotta be able to watch both of these. That's a fucking target one. Wasn't on screen for that, unfortunately, which kind of defeats the purpose there. So maybe we just wait for a better entry, but that sucks. That's filthy. US 30 should give us something as well. Fucking missed the entry and got a target one on there, so I'm definitely not counting that. If you entered the sell, don't. Would only a target one though. It's not like it was a fucking. We've had worse for sure. We've had worse. I'll keep NASDAQ on this and US on this then. So what I'd like to do, the problem that I have a lot of the times too is that you guys, whenever I try to do multi-screen so I can see both screens at once here for you guys, and then obviously the entries are perfect, is a lot of you guys say you can't see both or it stretches your screen. So I could try it again. Maybe for Tokyo session, I'll try it again, but at the end of the day, I need it to work for mostly everyone, not just half the people or people are just gonna get mad. Yeah, volume's a little psychotic. Because right now, I wish you guys could see my screen. I literally can see both screens. Like Nasdaq's pushing out right now. I just can't show you guys both screens that are fucking up. Stretches your guys' shit. All right, Nasdaq could buy here. Push above. Tight stop. 1 to 5. We'll make up for that last shit. Oh. I really like US 30 sells if this can break. Nasdaq's buying again. Or not again, but for the first time, Nasdaq's buying here. Tough volume. Very tough volume there. US 30. I feel better about US 30. I feel like Nasdaq's okay. We had a pretty big fake out here. This droppage here. Recovered. Buyers coming in. So it is a good setup. Just gotta be careful here with this volume. We need to continue to push. There's a target one, which is nice. We need more volume than that, though. Target one's cool. Makes up for the last trade, but a little more volume than that, please. We need more than a target one. I'm really waiting for this US 30 trade. Currently floating in NASDAQ, but not a lot of hope in that going further than a target one. So it's pretty much just a break-even trade at that point. One loss, one loss and a target one doesn't do much. We need US 30 to just take the fuck off for us and save our entire fucking day. Unless NASDAQ just fucking takes my second position and flies, but other than that, it'll be a break even. So what I do is I open two positions, right? At a target one, I'll close one, and then let the other one move. So if it ends up hitting a stop loss, it breaks even, rather than just completely losing if it reverses. Do that. Where's NASDAQ? NASDAQ's still back pushing the target one. We're up pretty decent on NASDAQ, and this thing just fucking fly. US 30 is consolidating right here. Now I see what London session went through last night. The volume is absolutely fucking horrible right now. Well, NASDAQ's pushing actually. NASDAQ. Oh, can we get a target two out of NASDAQ? I would be so fucking appreciative of that. I would be so appreciative of that NASDAQ if you could just push to a target two real quick. Just for me and my people. Just blew my account. Wow, one trade. First trade of the week and you blew your account. You're getting fucking banned for sure. No fucking shot. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Why do people come on here and risk their everything on one fucking first trade, bro? Really? We have an entire week still, and you lost your account on the first day? I mean, dude, are we trading or are we fucking in Vegas at the slot machines? My goodness. How the fuck does that happen? Especially when right after that we take a buy on NASDAQ and it fucking clears damn near target too. You would have been fine. If you would have just risked normal, you would have literally been up right now. That's not normal. Just so you guys know. It's not normal. Well, I don't give a fuck if it was two contracts or a fucking you signed a contract with the UFC. Get the fuck out of here. What are you doing, bro? That's fucking ridiculous. US 30 is not pushing enough for me. I'd sell off if we break. I think I'm gonna adjust it just a smidge though. I'd sell off if we break. I've been waiting for this US 30 sell. I feel good about a US 30 sell. Um, yeah, just do a timeout, Rogue. Just do a timeout, man. I'm waiting for this to push right here. This could be a decent break. NASDAQ still floating up profit. We're still up in profit on NASDAQ. We got one loss on NASDAQ. We have a selling position here for US 30. A little more droppage would be very much appreciated by US fucking 30. Nasdaq's being a piece of shit right now. An absolute piece of turkey bacon. So we got our fucking target one out of this volume right now. The volume today is fucking horrible. My gosh, this is fucking just awful. Like, what is this today? I actually don't fucking believe my eyeballs today. Like, that's it. We get a target one and then we just completely fucking just slice right back. That's what we're doing. Target. Okay, so we have a loss on Nasdaq and a target one on Nasdaq. That's where we're at today. That is unfucking believable. Got me drinking this coffee angrily. Hmm. US 30, might as well close at break even at this fucking point. Might as well just close this at break even. Fucking shit doesn't want to fucking move at all. Fuck you, US 30. What a fucking shit show today. Target one, target two. I mean, target one. One loss, one target, and one break even. I mean, that's what we're dealing with today. This thing's gonna just float here or what? I feel like this is one of those trades though. If I turn my back on it and don't re-enter, I'm gonna wait for a better entry. But I feel like if I get off right now, because it's like pushing the fucking entry line. It's not as bad of where it's like up here floating. It's like pushing that. I feel like if I turn the stream off and I get off, I'm gonna come back and this motherfucker's gonna just be tanking. Hmm. I don't know. Let's go to the 1 minute. That's what our fucking look at. I want you guys to see something real quick before we even think about taking another trade anywhere. I want you guys to see something real quick. This has been fucking crazy. This is the volume right here we're dealing with. Look at that. Look at NASDAQ. That's the volume we have right now. My oh fucking my. To start trading. Look, gold looks the fucking same. What did we just go from? Why does that look the exact same? Dude, look at NASDAQ and gold. Why are they the exact same today? Look, they both shot up and then came down. Some fishy shit, man. Like it's so manipulated today. Manipulated. Oh, US 30. Would it be crazy to take this US 30 buy? Let's see if it retraces back down a little bit. No. I'd be a psychopath if I took this buy, wouldn't I? I feel like I'm too. That'd be too fucking nuts, bro. That's with the way the volume is. That'd be fucking nuts. That's not. That's not what we're doing, man. It's fucking crazy. That would make me a psychopath if I did that. Fuck it. Buying US 31 last time. Call me crazy. I don't really care, man. Call me what you want. It's got to break out one way, man. It's got to break out one way. There's no way we just sit here and fucking fake out for the entire day. It has to find a way to break out. Oh my gosh, what is my screen doing right now? Target one. We just hit a fucking target one for fucking bullshit, man. It's a nice target one. It's not just a regular target one, it's a full target one, pushing through it, giving us a little extra, whatever. So one thing you guys can try, just a quick little tip for you guys. One thing you guys can try, instead of putting stops to break even, you can open two positions at the exact same number. So let's say you do, I don't know, two standards and then two standards, you buy and buy again. Once your target hits a 1-to-1, or once your trade hits a 1-to-1, you close one of the positions and then you let the other one run all the way through or stop loss. So instead of having that trade basically come out here and boom, you break even, it will already have closed for let's say $200 and your loss is only worth $200. You'll close the one position and then let's say it comes all the way down to here, bam, it'll lose you $200, meaning you'll break even overall, but giving yourself a little bit more room. So first $2 comes out or two whatever two standards, so $200 comes out, you make it, and then this thing continues to rise. Next thing you know, bam, this thing hits full. You'll actually make more money. Well, you'll make the same amount of money, but psychologically, it's easier because when you do lose, you gave yourself more room, and the worst thing that happens is you break even. We always hit target ones, so it's definitely either break even or make money pretty much each day. We you guys know that's been here. We pretty much never fucking lose. Today has been absolutely crazy, but I'm still holding US 30. But that's just a little trick for you guys psychologically. It'll help you guys if you want to try it. But this might hit a target too. It's a profitable day. No matter how you look at it, it's a profitable day. Especially with this target two right here. Unless you're not taking all the trades I take or listening, then it's a profitable day because this is a target two. We have one target, we have a target one, a loss, a break even, and now a target two. So, and it's still pushing. We're still going. But not all profitable days are built the same, obviously. Anybody who lost money, it's on you, man. You got to get better at what you're doing. But it's okay. I mean, shit, we're all new. But when I first started, you know, I had days where I should have won, but I made a couple little mistakes. Really is what it is. But we're still fucking trading, right? I'm literally live in a trade right now as we're conversating, as you guys are messaging. If you're not live in this trade, you're already messed up. There's where you messed up. You don't come on here and only take a couple trades. You take every single trade that I take, man. It's the only way to be profitable, right? Is if to take every trade I take. If I'm profitable every week and you want to be profitable every week, copy the person who's profitable. You didn't even want to take this trade, but I did, and we're up. So suck my fucking penis, right? Pretty much fair to say that, right? Because I did. And we're counting the Nasdaq loss as well. There's a target three. Nasdaq loss was a loss. The first Nasdaq was a loss. Second Nasdaq was a target one, almost a target two. We're an inch away. What is this? Anybody in the chat? We can do some Dora the Explorer. Anybody know what this is called right here? Yeah, it's called a dub. It's a win. And we're still fucking moving. As you guys are talking, you guys could still have gotten in this trade. We're still going. We're still going. And it has, oh, I'm fucking clean. With no sign of slowing down whatsoever. You can book that. You can book that. We call it, no, you're not gonna get me to 100. All right. Well, then we're gonna go with 87. Whatever. Pays the bills. Easy day. Easy fucking day. Easy peasy lemon fucking squeezy. 90 grand, by the way. Just closed for 90 grand. So while you guys are all fucking chatting it up and fucking thinking about how horrible your life is because you took one loss today, I just made about 90 grand, and everyone else who took the trade made a shit ton too. So maybe you guys should learn to, and this is not for everybody. This is for people who are like in the chat talking instead of trading and like fucking. There's like probably three people. Really? Okay, there's 2,000 people watching. I'm talking about three people right now, right? It's the fucking. Well, you did this for Nasdaq and you did that for US 30, and you were scared to even take this trade. As you're saying that, I'm literally trading and we're all making money as it's going up. Holy shit. Shut up. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna put this in the chat for you guys. I just videoed this. Okay. Running your mouths. This is probably my fucking the favorite this thing that I have about trading, and it didn't even make any sense, is that I don't have to do this ever at all. Look what I just sent. While you guys are running your mouth, that's what my finger was doing. It was hitting close on an $89,000 trade. Lost 500 on the first trade, made 1,000 on the second. See? That's all you guys would have had to do. Take your loss on the first trade like a man. Be a fucking man. We're traders. This is what happens. You take your loss and then you keep going. Right? I can tell you what girls do, what women do. And if you're a woman in here, then I wouldn't even judge you if you did this because it's normal. It's what women do. But what women do, they'll lose the trade, and instead of taking the next trade, they'll be focused on the fact that they just lost and bitching and complaining, which is okay. If you're a woman, that's fine. You're allowed to do that. You have more emotions than men. I get it. But the fact that there's men who actually do that is fucking just sickening. That there's men who are, instead of complaining, I mean, instead of trading, are complaining and thinking about what just happened on NASDAQ and how they broke a nail when they hit close. Shut up, bro. We're not doing that no more. We're not doing that no more. From now on, anybody who complains about any trade is banned, bro, because you're just talking too much. I don't need your fucking $39. The hell is that gonna do for me? I'm trying to help you guys out, man. I'm not trying to fucking make a fortune. I just made 89 grand in one day trading. Well, I took a loss and okay, so I took a loss, broke even was slightly not. I probably made about 82,000. I'm probably down about 5K from the buffers. So let me take that back. I'm sorry. Let me watch my fucking tone. I didn't make 89K. I made 82K today in fucking 10 seconds. No, we've been on here for 20 minutes. The last thing I need to do is get on here and trade live every morning. I don't need it. But there's people who still want to fucking learn and still want to copy. So whatever. I'm going on a little rant. I'm done sharing my screen. I'm gonna fuck with y'all later, man. That's what, three, target three. So we'll call it three targets hit, positive. Bunch of fucking losses, break evens, whatever you want to call it. Um, no, I know not all women complain, but it's okay for a woman to complain. It's forgiven if a woman complains, not a man. But all the girls in here, you guys are fucking awesome. There's like a shit ton of women in this chat, and nobody's like complaining on here. Actually, there was two or three people complaining. They were all men. I think they have tampons on aisle 6.